Today we're going to install these LED neon lights. We're opening the box, and once we open the box, we're going to have now our clips in our tool bag. We're going to get some alcohol prep pads. We're going to have to clean the surface very well. Those alcohols will go provide them. Now we're going to start putting the clips. Now once the surface is very clean, I'm going to put the clips around the area to give it a even space. Now that the clips are all installed, I'm going to go around the area to check everything is correct. I'm going to put my line. I like to stretch the light to make sure it's real tight. Now you have to be very careful when you start to make sure that the clips are real tight. You have to press on the clips, make sure that, and hold the rope. If not, you're going to end up with the rope on the bottom. We're going to have to cut on this section right here. As you see, the line is a little too long, so we're going to cut to make sure it's perfect. Items that we always need. We're going to open very careful to find the black line. We're going to cut right there, right on that black line. Be careful when you cut. As you see, it cut right at the line, right at the mark. Now that the line is open, we're going to put some silicone to make sure it gets sealed and water does not get in it. As you can see, it's very sealed. Now that the silicone is dry, we're gonna go ahead and install the last part of it. And now you can see the results. Now the whole line is installed. This section is installed, and now you're about to see actually we're finishing up, right? We're inspecting it to make sure that it's very stretched. Now we're installing the end of it, and we're gonna put a little more silicone. We ended up having like 2 extra inches because that's the only part that I can go that far to cut. These lights are not meant to be cut. However, we did a special installation. Now I'm playing with the Govee app. It's very cool playing with this app. You can change the colors, you can change any theme. St. Patrick, 4th of July, you're celebrating Christmas, if you're celebrating Halloween, 4th of July, etc. These lights are also synced with the music, so you can also change them with the music. You can leave them permanent the whole year and change them as you wish. As you see, we have the party theme going on. Now this is music syncing with the light. This is the Miami Beach, Miami Vice air. Now this is a real party lights, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this and tell me you don't want these lights for your home. I mean, look every single light, all the details, everything that it took us to install these lights. It took us about a week and a half to go back and forth with the right measurements, with the right tools, the right the right equipment, and make sure that we have the right people to do these jobs. Remember, we install lights nationwide, and if you like to have some of these lights installed in your house, all you have to do is shoot us call. Our phone number is 346-681-9339. We're located in the Houston area, and we serve all parts of the United States. Take a look at that view. Take a look at that view. You can leave those lights permanent the whole year, or you can have them change the magic of these Govee lights. Look at the magic that Dandale Construction can deliver to your home or business. Remember, we install these lights anywhere in the United States.